Good day everyone. Today I want to show you how to find the value of x in this nice exponential algebraic equation. Let's get started. If you are given a kind of question like this, so the first thing to do is by making the right hand side to be 1. So by doing so, we have this to be 3 upon 5 everything raised to the power of x plus 4 upon 5 raised to the power of x equals 1. But converting this 3 over 5 to decimal, we have it to be 0.6 raised to the power of x plus, here is 0.8 raised to the power of x equals 1. But I want to make one assumption here. If you subtract 0.4 from 1, so we still have it as 0.6 plus. So similarly, if you say 1 minus 0.2 raised to the power x, still the same thing as 0.8. So I will start this. But from binomial expansion, so if you have an expansion of x plus y raised to the power of n, so this one can be equivalent to x raised to the power n plus n x raised to the power n minus 1 y raised to the power 1 plus n open bracket x raised to the power of n minus 2 y raised to the power of 2. But at this stage, I can have it as n, so this stage can be n open bracket n minus 1 upon 2 x raised to the power of n minus 2 y raised to the power of 2. So this is 2 factorial, and then that's how the thing will continue till the final step. So by taking one of these and input it here, so whenever we have 1 here, 1 is our x, 0.4 here is our y, and x is our n. So let's take it there. So I want to convert 0.4 to fraction. So here we have 1 minus 2 upon 5 is still the same thing as 0.4 everything raised to the power x equals, so which means that x here is 1 and 0.4 is, which is 2 over 5, is my y. So let's be taking it here. So here we have 1 raised to the power of x plus x. So we still have my 1 raised to the power of x minus 1. Then y is minus 2 upon 5 raised to the power of 1. Plus, for this one now, we have it to be x open bracket x minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, then 1 raised to the power of x minus 2, and we have 2 minus 2 over 5 raised to the power of 2. So I will stop at this third term. So here we have this as n 1 raised to the power x is still the same thing as 1 plus. So 1 raised to the power x minus 1 is still the same thing as 1. So this multiplied by 1, we have it to be x, and y, all this one becomes minus 2x divided by 5 plus, so what this here becomes 1 as well, and here we have it as x in open bracket x minus 1, and 2 factorial is still 2. Then here these two will negate this negative, so because of these two we are going to have positive here. Then we have it to be 4 upon 25, so plus dot dot dot. So here we are going to have it to be 1 minus 2x upon 5. Here we have it as, so by multiplying this with this, we have 4x open bracket x minus 1 divided by 50. So I will start this and call this one equation 1. So let's take the second assumption. So here we are going to have it as 1 minus 0.2 is still the same thing as 1 upon 5, everything raised to power x. So taking it there, so we have 1 raised to power x plus. So we have x 1 raised to power of x minus 1, but here is minus 1 over 5 raised to power of 1 plus x open bracket x minus 1 divided by 2 factorial 1 raised to power x minus 2. Then so we have minus 1 over 5 raised to power of 2 plus dot dot dot. So the final thing we are going to have here is 1 minus x upon 5. Then we have this one as plus x open bracket x minus 1, everything divided by 50 as well. So plus dot dot dot. So we assume this one to be equation 2. So but from the above, if you have 1 minus 0.4 raised to power x plus 1 minus 0.2 raised to power x, so we have it to be 1, but everything here has become this and everything here has become this. By adding these two together, we have minus 2x upon 5 plus 4x open bracket x minus 1 divided by 50 plus dot 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 plus 1 minus x upon 5 plus x open bracket x minus 1 upon 50 plus dot dot dot, everything equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 here is 2. This and this, so we have it to be 3x. So we have it to be 3x divided by 5. And by doing so, expanding this, we are going to have it to be 4x squared minus 4x divided by 50. So plus, so expanding this as well, we have it as x squared minus x divided by 50, so equals to 1. And here we have 2 minus 3x divided by 5. So this and this, we have the common denominator, so here is 50. So adding this together, we have 5x squared minus 5x, everything equals 1. So taking out 5 from here, we have 2 minus 3x upon 5, then plus x squared minus x divided by 10 equals 0. So if this equals to this, so I can find the LCM here. So this multiplied by this, equals 1. This multiplied by this, so the LCM here is 10. So multiplying this with this, we are going to have it to be 20 minus. So this and this we have to 2 multiplied by this, that is 6x. So 6x plus x squared minus x, everything becomes 10 multiplied by this, that is 10. So the final here becomes x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals to 0. And here is quadratic equation. So solving this quadratic equation, so we have it as x minus 2 and x minus 5 equals 0. So here can assume that our x here is 2 or x equals to 5. So by taking one of these and put it in the equation, so the given value here is, the given question is 3 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x equals to 5 raised to power x. So let's test for x at equals to 2 first. So here is 3 raised to power 2 plus 4 raised to power 2 equals to 5 raised to power 2, which is automatically satisfied. So which means by putting this 5 here, 5 will not satisfy. So it is only x equals to 2 that satisfy the equation. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe just for you to be aware of when I drop a new video and enjoying the math together. Love you all.